Load your family into the 2012 Dodge Durango. Dodge prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by power trunk closing assist, front and rear reading lights, a power liftgate, reverse sensing system, and voice-activated navigation. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.